Hello, it's Thursday, April the 1st, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar weakened against most majors as ADP reports showed American employers unexpectedly cut jobs and growth in business activity trailed estimates, coming out at minus 23,000 versus 40,000 forecast. The Nasdaq and the Dow weakened by 0.53% and 0.47% respectively. Crude rose by 1.7%, closing at $83.86 a barrel. And gold rose by 0.8% to close at $1,114.50 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected at 440,000 versus 442,000 prior. The euro strengthened versus the dollar after the unemployment rate in Germany, Europe's biggest economy, declined to 8.5% in March versus 8.7% in February. The euro dollar has been trading between 135.45 and 133.80 with no clear trend. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 133.84 and a high of 135.48. The pound continues to rise against the dollar owing to the good data released Monday succeeded in pushing it up. The pound dollar showed a clear upward trend in the last few days and it crossed the 20-day moving average. A long position is therefore preferred. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 150.42 and with a high of 152.03. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected at 56.8 versus 56.6 prior. The yen fell against all the majors, touching an 8-week low versus the euro as signs that the global economic recovery is gathering steam, damped demand for Japan's currency as a refuge. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 92.80 and a high of 93.63. The Canadian dollar reached the highest level in almost 2 weeks versus the dollar after a report showed the nation's GDP grew at the fastest rate in 3 years in January to come out at 0.6% versus 0.5% forecast. The dollar CAD has been trading downward since February. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.27 and a high of 101.98. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.